Hey guys, how are you? So I wanted to stop by today because I wanted to share some advice with you guys. It may seem obvious to do this, but actually I feel like a lot of people don't do this. So when you go luxury shopping, say specifically a purse, which we love purses here, but say you're going for shopping for a luxury purse, here is a tip to definitely do before buying it and going home. I only know this from personal experience and from like learning from my mistakes. Even like as much as I like to get luxury things, I've even like closely made a mistake of doing this. So what it is a little story time. My mom went to go get her anniversary gift a couple weeks ago, and basically she was like, you know, so excited to buy it. She ended up buying this bag right here, which I'm gonna put a screenshot of right here, or maybe like a video. She ended up buying that bag for her anniversary, and she loved it so much, and she was like working with a sales associate that we really liked, and basically she was getting ready to buy it, and then they were gonna put it in the box. But like for me, I was gonna like, for some reason I'm like, let me just check this bag. And typically I actually do check my bags, but sometimes when you get so excited when you buy something, you don't think to like check your bag. So basically my mom, I checked my mom's bag, and I'm gonna use my use this Gucci vintage bag as an example as to what happened. So basically I checked the bag, and there was strings popping out of this brand new bag, and essentially my mom's bag is the same thing, but if you like look at this bag right here, there's like a string, right? Can you see? There's like, hold on, let me move positions real quick. Right here, if you look at the bag right here, there's like a string that goes down, and this string right here was like popping out right here, and then we're like, oh no, and we told the sales associate, and then I looked on the corner of her new bag. Hers is just a blue version. There's another string popping out right here. So essentially there and there, those two spots is where my mom's there was like string popping out of the bag, and we literally were going to buy this bag and like purchase it like there. And so I told the sales associate, she's like, oh my gosh, and she's like, I didn't know. And so you would assume that a sales associate would check it, so she didn't check it. So she said that she was gonna order another bag, and then she'd be sure to check it. So we went in the next week, and we went to go get the bag, and my mom and I thoroughly inspected it. The sales associate said she inspected it, but she wasn't there that day. So we, when we went to go pick up the bag, the other sales associates that packed it for her, we opened the whole package in front of them and checked it once again, because you just never know. Like basically the sales associate that gave us that bag the week before, that was like a brand new bag in store, and it had string popping out of it. So if I could tell you anything from this experience, is always check your bags or luxury items before you purchase them, because 2 weeks go by and then you don't know if, like, you know, it's damaged and you can't return it. You could probably go pay for it to like get it fixed or something, but then it's like a brand new bag. So I just want to save you guys some heartache and not like have any, oh, my hair is poking up. I just wanted to save you guys some heartache and not like, you know, I know it sounds simple, but please always check your bags, because you never know if brand new bags could, like, you just assume it's normal and it's fine, but brand new bags can have flaws too. So kind of disappointing, but thankfully her new bag was in mint condition, so there you go. And yeah, I think some of you guys would be like, oh, well, who doesn't open their bag right when they get it? Sometimes people don't. Like my mom, she'll buy her bags and not wear it for like a while. Like for that example, the other one she didn't open for like over a month. And then this one she opened like a week later or something like that, but I checked it at the store. So yeah, that is it guys. Just wanted to share that. Hope you found that helpful. And I think I'm going to continue with the vlog. So we are going to go to a business meeting at a title company. It's their fourth year anniversary, JT and I, and we're just gonna go hang out with some realtors, some real estate people, market, and yeah, so I might take you along. They're gonna have street tacos, wine, fruit, and It's the floral like sun theme. Well, I'll talk about it more. Hold on, I'll be back. Oh, also before we go to this like party event, I wanted to show you guys my jewelry. So I was sent this kindly to me from the Otter box. I believe that's what they're called, or this, yeah, I think they're called the Otter Spirit or the Otter box. I'm gonna put the website right here. But I was so kindly sent these pieces from Becca. I believe she's the owner of the website, and it's a small business, and they sell crystal bracelets, small sizes, which I've never like actually owned a small size bracelet, like beaded bracelet, and then the big ones too. And so she kindly sent that to me, and I get a lot of requests from jewelry companies because I really like jewelry. However, I love it when something stands out from a company, and this company gives 10% of their proceeds to ocean conservation, and I believe like otter, like helping the otters and stuff like that. So otters are like one of my favorite animals. First it's like cats, then it's octopus, then I really like otters. On the bracelet, you can see this is a moonstone bracelet, and then I have a turquoise bracelet. And on it is a little otter on each bracelet. There's like a little like otter on the little stainless steel bracelet. And then on this side, I have these bracelets, and each of them labradorite, and each of them have like different meanings. Hold on. So each crystal, as you guys know, have like different meanings. So there's like little bundle packages for like, say you want abundance, or you want like different crystals come with their different meanings and properties. And so I just thought these were so pretty. I really wanted to try these small beaded bracelets. And I just think that they have good intentions. It reminds you to focus on like what your intentions are. And then also I just like really love crystals. So if you like the big beaded one, you have it here. And then you have the small ones, which I think are super, super unique. And then you got the little otter emblem medallions on the side. So I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is Tabby Violet 20 for 20% off if you want to get it from, so it's called the Otter Spirit. And yeah, if you want 20% off, go check out their website. I believe it is a small business and they're just starting off, so I'd like to support that. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, and thank you, the Otter Spirit, for sending me these pieces. Now let me get changed and we're gonna head off to that work party. Okay, so I am changed. The theme for the title company's like party is fruit and flowers. So the only dress that I brought to Texas that has flowers is this dress right here. Skirt, it's like long dress, and I wore it when I went to shopping on my shopping vlog. So you guys have seen this dress before, but yeah, the only flower theme. So I'm gonna wear this. JT's gonna wear his only flower shirt that he brought here too. And they're gonna have some street tacos, some wine, which, yeah, $11.30 for wine. I'm gonna drink one. And then they have fruit and stuff like that, and then we're gonna market, and then also just have a good time. So I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you there. I am back, guys. I realized I barely even vlogged. I like vlogged outside, and I didn't vlog like the really nice part in the inside. Sorry, but the food was so good. I am going to sit down and read for a little while because As much as I love socializing and talking with people, I actually get a lot of charge and like energy from being quiet and having quiet like reading energy. So reading energies, I don't know what that is, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm reading these two books. This is the Discover Your Dharma by Sahara Rose, and then this is the 5th book for the Aquatar series. Really, really good. This book is a little not as good as the other ones so far, but yeah, love that fantasy fairy book. And the one book I really, really recommend, actually I will recommend it in probably my favorite videos coming up. I'm going to do a video on my current favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!